Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone OS and Google Play services are updated, because outdated services often break token exchange. Once done, check network and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh connection, since intermittent Wi-Fi can fail two-step authorizations. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that the card and billing address match bank records. Mismatches cause declines. Do these first to eliminate simple but common causes before deeper fixes. Next, perform targeted diagnostics. Clear cache and app data for Google Pay and Play services, then reboot to reset background tokens. This removes corrupted local state. If the issue persists, remove the payment method and re-add it so Google reissues a new token. While doing this, watch for bank SMS or OTP prompts and confirm they arrive. Also verify app permissions such as location, NFC for contactless, and background data, because denied permissions can block verification and token refresh. To finish, update or reinstall Google Pay so you have the latest bug fixes, and then test with a small $1 transaction to validate flow without large risk. If it still fails, try a different card or switch networks, because some banks or carriers block token requests. Contacting your bank to lift fraud flags often solves declines. If nothing works, gather screenshots and error codes, note timestamps, and contact Google support with logs so they can trace server-side failures. One key tip: enable verbose logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.